Here we are, guys, back again this evening. Got this little 1993 S10 GMC Sonoma, whatever you want to call it, just that little square body S10 flavor. This is my oldest son's truck. It's got the vent visors on it, tinted windows, I mean, nice paint job. Got the third generation Camaro wheels on them. And yep, he goes to work early in the morning. Well, this morning old Bambi got him. He's an MC now. I think he's gonna start scratching records for a living. But anyhow, she got the grill, she got the hood. Yeah, that's probably good. Yep. Got some redneck diamonds falling out there. She's seen her better days, but we're gonna try to fix on it a little bit. You kidding me? Are you freaking kidding? At least we know that now.